Okay.
Yeah, Plunkett, anybody ever tell you you're crazy? Oh, this cannot be good. Gasoline, explosives, and a lighter. As well as a couple of idiots, yes.
We are not a couple of idiots. We are highly experienced idiots. Only morons with the experience that we have in being morons could accomplish this.
Right, Plunkett.
This has got to be good.
Oh wow, this is going to be a classic.
And then we light the end of the line.
That would be wise and run like fucking hell.
Yeah, let's back up a little
Let's get the hell out of here, yes. What's the matter, Plucky? You afraid? Oh shit.
Whoa.
That was complete insanity, but I love it. Oh, it's still going. Yeah.
I felt like that was a totally reasonable thing to do.
Plunkett, was that fun or what?
Yes.